pedal. This pedal right here. It's always going to be your rear brake. It's back brake.
Okay.
Front brake, back brake.
Okay.
It's different than a bicycle.
Crazy turn.
Neutral, kind of tough. Sometimes it won't go. Like I'm in first gear, right? So I'm trying to half click. No. Oh, second gear, down half. Oh, that's right. First gear. Kill.
Okay.
So that off, off, on.
Okay.
This is lights. You don't care about that right now. No lights. As you start. So we're in first gear because your key, it's your hot wire.
Okay.
It's easy. It clicks together. So if you're in first gear, if this is on, you can just start it.
Okay.
But it's in first gear, which means if you start it, it's gonna want to go.
Okay.
Okay. So always hold your clutch in.
Okay. Clutch. This one?
Yep.
Open. Start.
So off. You just off.
Huh?
So push your starter. Push and hold. Okay, that's good. Here's up, up. So you can let off your clutch a little bit. Always gonna need a little gas.
Okay.
Alright, your turn.
Okay, try.
Don't die. You can use this brake if you want. You're not gonna go too fast, so this will stop you.
Okay.
This is front and over. But this is your, go ahead, have a seat.
Okay.
Good luck.
Good luck. Whew. Can you shoot for me?
You're gonna need, yeah, we're gonna need some practice here. So, Joy, not gonna crash. Take one. Okay, so first gear, all the way down, right? Go underneath. Go up. That's neutral. Nope, second gear. Is that on? So second gear. Just keep going. Up, up, up. No? Perfect. So you can let go. No clutch. You're in neutral, right? So it doesn't matter. Okay. Your stick is not in first gear.
Okay.
So no clutch, doesn't matter. Because you're in neutral. So I'll start it. Yep. Mash on this pedal. Well, out of gas. Same? Yeah, you can stay in first gear. First gear is fine, all the way down, 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 down. Second gear, I think you're in second. So, same thing, start it. Nope, still off. Has to be in the middle. Yeah, first gear is good. Clutch in to start. neutral reverse. So find the middle, all the way down, half click. There. So, let go, clutch. So in neutral, push and pull. So push and hold and in all the way. Okay, now lift that like this, so it's down. That's reverse. So now your red light's on, but it won't start that way. This is down, you pull down, start.